Oh yeah. Ma voisine. Oh non. Oh, ma voisine. Ma voisine d'à côté. Ma voisine. Ah ah ah.
Like chocolate dans la coco. Make she follow me go and fly away.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am trying out some Charlotte Tilbury makeup, and I'm starting off with the setting spray. I've heard some great things about the setting spray, so I wanted to try it out here. And so I always start off with the test spray, and then of course I spray my whole face, and then I fan myself off. Now I'm gonna try two of her lippies. It is from the Hollywood Lips. It's like the mini duo set. I got this, I believe, during Christmas time, and so I just wanted to try out her product. So I'm starting off with my MAC Chestnut lip liner because the two lippies are quite, how do I say this? Pinky, nudish. All right, so I'm trying on the first one right now. They're very, very creamy. So yeah, the first one I tried on is ShowGirl, and as you can see, it's like a pinky nude. So I'm going to wipe that off now to try on the second one. All right. And I'm using my lip liner from Buxom. That's what it's from. And I'll leave everything down below.
Too Bad I'm Bad is next.
Okay, so you heard this is called Too Bad I'm Bad. And so I decided to play around and do like an ombre type of lip since I use my Buxom lip liner, and I just wanted to put the color in the middle a little bit. Then I'm reinforcing it with my Buxom lip liner again. It's like a burgundy deep color. I guess you can use Bittersweet as well from MAC. That's Too Bad I'm Bad. I wasn't really pleased with the payoff, so I decided to add some gloss. Just, you know, regular clear lip gloss. Honestly, I really wasn't feeling the colors, you guys. It's not really me. I like my colors to be deep, and I like them to show. I'm not really into the pinky type of lips. And also the spray is really for dry girls, I think. Us oily girls, we have to be very careful. We are going to look very greasy at the end of the night. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Take care. Bye.